So I traded in the Range Rover for a new BMW. And I'm going for a nice little cruise. It's beautiful. Sunset in Orlando. We got the palm trees. I mean, it is just gorgeous out here. Gonna go up here on some of my favorite landscaping is up here on the left. See if I can hook you up with some of that scenery. Coming up just about right there. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. It's just gorgeous. Palm trees. Look at that. Huh? Is that not the most beautiful little ride you've ever been on? Coming up here. Hopefully we'll be able to see some nice airplanes up here. Now, Spirit went out of business, so the big yellow, this used to be Spirit over here, the big yellow one. So we got some things going on over there. We got some nice jets. Huh? Water. Look at that. Gorgeous. Sunset in Orlando.